Automobile and its components. First of all, let's understand what an automobile is. So, automobile or a car is a wheeled passenger vehicle that carries its own motor. Automobiles are designed to run primarily on roads. To have seating for 1 to 6 people, typically they have 4 wheels and be constructed principally for the transport of people and the goods. Now let's see the evolution of the four-wheeler or cars over the years from the 1900s to the 2020s. So in this way, the automobile industry as a technology has grown over the years. So let's understand now what an automotive is. A lot of people have lot of confusion what an automobile is or what an automotive is. So let's understand. Automotive term is generally used for an industry unlike the automobile. All those companies and activities involved in the manufacturing of motor vehicles, including most components such as engines, axle, brakes, etc., but excluding the tires, batteries and fuel, are the part of the automotive industry. Let's see the picture. What are the components that are the parts of automotive industry? Like the spark plugs are there, oil filter, clutches, CV axles, exhaust systems. These are all the automotive industries that make these components for an automobile. So I hope now you are understanding what an automobile is and what an automotive industry is. So now the time has come to understand what are the types of automobile. So on these, the types of automobile are broadly categorized on the following categories that we are going to discover. First one is on the basis of the body style. So first one is a sedan, a car with a boot with itself. Other one is the hatchback with no boot. Coupe car, a car who has only 2 windows. A convertible car, sports utility vehicle or SUV, crossover cars, trucks and buses, motorcycle and scooters. So these are the types on the basis of body style. Now on the basis of wheels, there are 2-wheeler, 3-wheelers, 4-wheeler or 6-wheeler. Then there are on the basis of fuel used, petrol, diesel, electric, steam or gas vehicle. Then on the basis of load, heavy transport vehicle or a light transport vehicle. Heavy transport vehicle includes buses, trucks, cranes, bulldozer. Light transport vehicle only includes like cars, jeeps, scooters, motorcycles. Then there are other categories also. Total 8 categories are there. Then fifth is on the basis of transmission system, whether it is an automatic car or a manual car. Then there is on the basis of drive, whether it's a left drive car or a right drive car. Then on the basis of drive axles, whether it is a rear wheel drive, front wheel drive or all wheel drive. So and then the last one is on the basis of engine, whether it's inside the car or the outside the car. So total 8 categories are there on which the types of automobile is being divided. So next slide is the components of automobile. Most important slides. On this slides, my future videos are dependent. So please understand it very carefully. In this slide, I'll only make you cover the family tree of the automobile. So firstly is an automobile, which we have already discovered. Then automobile is further categorized into 2 major categories. First one is chassis. Then there is a superstructure. Now the chassis is further divided into 5 main categories. First one is basic structure, generally includes the tires, wheels, frame, axles. Then there are controls, include steering system and the braking system. Then there is a power unit and engine. Then there is a transmission system, a differential or a gearbox. Then there are auxiliaries. Auxiliaries are generally not the components, but these are the kind of parts that are making our car more comfortable. For example, a lighting system inside the car, stereo system, air conditioning system, sunroof, center locking, all these are the part of the auxiliaries. Then the basic structure and the controls together is known as a running gear. Then power unit and a transmission system together is known as a power plant. and running gear and a power plant together is known as the framework of the car. So I hope you have understood what the components of an automobile is through this family tree. Now automobile we have covered. In next coming videos we'll cover chassis, then in another video we'll cover structure, controls, one by one each. So keep visiting my channel. Meet you in the next video.